Hello friends, I'm Arva and today's topic is rainbow formation. After watching this video, I'm sure you will not resist yourself until you form rainbow. First of all, every colorful bow is not a rainbow. There are certain parameters which help you to form a rainbow. And what are they? They are following. Number 1. There should be white light. In this experiment, I have taken sunlight. Next is raindrop. The raindrop should be away from the sunlight. For example, that is, if here is the sun, then raindrop should be here. Not on or near the sun. It means it should be away from the sun. Raindrop should be away from the sun, not here or here. Otherwise you will not able to see the rainbow. Okay. So our second point is raindrop which should be away from the sun. The third point is red should be outside and blue should be inside. If you are seeing some colorful bow, then you must notice red should be outside and blue should be inside. And fourth point is I should be 42 degree away from the sun rays to look the rainbow. What does it mean? If this is the sun rays and let's say it hits here, and if you are watching here, then it should be away from 42 degree away. So 42 degree angle should be there, away from 42 degree away. So you should look at 42 degree so that you will see the rainbow. So angle should be 42 degree away from the sunlight. Okay, I will explain this concept in my as we go on. I will explain this concept to you. So friends, raindrop size is very small of course, but since I want to explain the whole phenomena, that's why I have taken this raindrop quite large. This is our raindrop, and let's say sun is at the horizon. So sun rays is here, and when it strikes at the point A, let's say, then some light will be reflected and some light will be refracted. At this point B, some light will be refracted and some of them will be reflected. At the point C, there will be reflection and then you will get your refracted light. So after two internal reflection at the point C, you will get your rainbow. And when you trace back this light backward at this point, you will get this angle. This angle is phi and this angle is delta. So phi is 42 degree and delta is 138 degree. How I have calculated this, if you want, I will give you full explanation of it. But if you want, just message me in the comment box. I will give you full explanation how I got this thing. Okay. So you have to think that this raindrop is throwing back, that reflecting back a cone. You have to think this in the form of the cone that is coming to you in the form of the colorful rainbow, red outside and blue inside. So you have to think in the form of the cone. How? I will explain you. Let's say this is our sunlight and this is our raindrop. So this is our crucial angle, that is 42 degree. So this is 42 degree away. You have to you have to look 42 degree away from the sunlight, okay, so that you can able to see the rainbow. So this is in the form of the cone. Now friends, for red light, this phi is vary for different colors. So phi maximum for red light is 42.4 degree, and for blue it is 40.7 degree. So of course the angle of blue is less, so blue should be inside, and red angle is higher, so red should be outside. So this angle is 42.4 degrees, that is, this will be your red, and you have to think it in the form of the cone. That is your colorful rainbow, okay. And since blue is inside, so this angle is 40.7 degree. Between this you will get your different colors, okay. Between this you will get your every color, yellow, green, okay. No light should be here, that's not allowed, no light. And when whole light between this I'm talking about this, when whole light, that is red, blue, orange, all light will be reflected, but then you will see white light. So here you will see white light, and here you will see dark, completely dark. No, nothing will form here, because this angle should be 42.4 degree, and more than that not allowed, okay. So here your white light, and here your colorful bands will be there, okay. Now I will give you my experiment video, and in that video you can see I have taken my shadow. I have taken the reference of my shadow, and 42 degree away from that I got my rainbow. So first of all I will explain you the physics, and then I will show you the video, okay. So what I have done, I have let's say this is a ground, and I was standing on the ground, okay. So this is my shadow, and let's say sun is here, sun is in this direction. As we have taken in this example, we have taken sun at the horizon, but here I have taken sun was here at that time of my experiment, and let's say my shadow was on the ground, and this is, let's say, sun. This is my shadow, and this is my reference lines or sun ray. Away from the 42 degree I was looking, away from 42 degree away from the sunlight, so away from that 42 degree is here. So exactly I got this bow, red, blue, this is my blue, and when all light coming back to you, you will see here white light and everything dark over here. So you can look at my experiment and compare this explanation to that, so that you can easily make this rainbow formation at your home also.
इस साइड से पूरा आ रहा है, इस साइड से धूप आ रही है बहुत, इधर से आ रहा है, हाँ आ रहा है।
I want to give some more information about this, as you have seen this experiment, but little more explanation about this. Look, if the sun is in this direction, sun rays are in this direction, and since you are standing here, and let's say this angle is 42 degree, exactly 42 degree, and here is your raindrop and sun and two internal reflection, and you are looking exactly at 42 degree, you will not see the whole rainbow. Why? Because you are just looking at this red light, you are just at the A, you are just looking this, you are just looking this, so you will not get this whole phenomena, you will just get your red light. It just happen you see red only. But sun is, look, sun's reference, this is your sun reference, and away from it you can see, okay, but little bit lower, little bit here, okay, this angle is 40 degree, so here's two internal reflections, so here's the cone. You can see the whole colors. You can see whole rainbow formation. This raindrop is throwing back to you a colorful bow to you, colorful rainbow to you, and you can able to see the whole rainbow, whole colors of the rainbow. Okay, and here is, of course, if you see here, and there will be complete white over here. But if you want to look the whole rainbow, so you have to adjust your eyes in such a way that you can not only see the red light, you have to adjust yourself in such a way that you will able to see the whole rainbow. Okay, I will explain you one more thing. Look, suppose if sun is at the horizon, let's say, and here's your raindrop, and here's your raindrop, and away this is 42 degrees, so away you will, the rainbow is here, this colorful cone will be here, but since you are looking at this direction, there will be no rainbow to you. There will be complete dark. You will not see a rainbow. No rainbow will be here because rainbow formation will be here. Okay, now look, let's say sun is at the horizon and away from the sun, that is 42 degree, and it just happens that you are looking just at 42 degree, just at this angle, at this point, so you will only able to see only the outer part, that is only the red color. Okay, now look at this figure. Here the sun is at the horizon. This is your sun rays, this is your sun rays, and this is your sun rays, and away from this 42, this is my complete bow formation, that is rainbow formation. But since you are looking straight into this raindrop, straight in the middle part of this raindrop, so you will see complete white. You will not see rainbow, you will see complete whitish part over here. So exact rainbow for looking at, you have to this is the figure, this is the main thing, 42 degree, and here you can able to see your rainbow. So not you have to look in such a way that you are not looking only red part. You have to adjust in such a way that the main ideal condition, look, the main ideal condition for the formation of the rainbow is early morning or late afternoon. Okay, so at that time you can easily see your rainbow. So hope you liked the video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and share. It means a lot to me. Thank you.